Fox here. Welcome to FoxArwen, my channel where I show off my art and unbox dolls, building my collection. You're like, where are your eyes going? Over here! Because I was like, where is it? It's not in my hand. It's Sweet Treats, adult coloring book. Well, teens, adults. Heck, if you want it for your kid, you see if it's appropriate. On Amazon, all the Amazons, the Fantasy Pop Art line is available. And there, just type FoxArwen coloring books. All the lines will pop up, the Arwen's doll line, the Fantasy Pop line, whatever other lines I choose to do. And yeah, 8.5 by 11 inches. It's a hefty beastie. All right, that's 25 coloring pages for you to explore and have fun. And okay, it's to the dolls. Back to the dolls. Okay, the Barbie Dream Bestie line had me, I was gonna say by the throat. This didn't sound good. Had me at my heart. Got me in the heart. I don't know what words are. All I know is there's a skate line. Like, they're having a skating party. Okay, the graphic, whatever. I do love the back. So this is Teressa. She was $28 on Amazon. I only know because I snuck a peek. She was a birthday gift, but girl, she was like a birthday gift that like came later, but anyway. Okay, so how are we feeling about the skate party? There's a lot I'm loving, and then I'm like, where are they going with these girls? Where are they going with the line? I love them. I like how different they are to Monster High. There's a lot I like, but now I'm like, interesting. All right, let's see what Teresa's like going to the skate party. I have to say, what I do enjoy about the packaging is how easy it is to rip apart. Because some Rainbow High stuff, I mean, I've gotten cuts on my fingers cutting that stuff up and getting it ready for what goes to recyclable or what can be recycled and what can't. Oh, Lord, have mercy. All right, Teresa. So cute. All right. She comes with a bag of Honey Bear cookies, and it's a little bear on top. Like, it's, the detailing. Now it's hollow. That's okay. You're only gonna look at it from this end, but so adorable. Oh my gosh. She has what I assume is like a Switch. It's blue. She's playing a game. I kept wanting to call it a Game Boy. In my head, I kept calling it a Game Boy. It says Barbie on the back. Just fun little things to play with. I like her little digital camera. And it does have the space so that her fingers can go in it. And it says Barbie on the back. You know, it has a bee. It has a bee on the back. I don't know if all my stuff was branded after two of my friends. I don't know. Which Barbie is it? Her phone is orange. It says Hi Barbie on it. Phone's orange. It says Hi Barbie. It has a cute little picture, but I'm here for the dolls. I'm always just here for the dolls. Her roller skates move. I mean, it's a small detail, but it is a fun one and necessary. Always necessary. Wheels should always move. It's really simple to do. Whee! They're orange, like a reddy orange. I guess it's like that coral color, but it's like, you know, the clouds on it and stuff. All right, girl, let's put your skates on. Let's show off her little toes. Oh, I love this sculpt on these guys. Oh, they're just so cute. And they look so nice on the shelf. She says not showing them off on the shelf, but they do. They bring a fun pop of color without being like monsters or fairies or, you know, rainbow slime girls. And I enjoy that. Okay. Teresa, let's show you off. Now, I think Teresa and Barbie Brooklyn have the most beautiful face sculpts, but they are just very slightly different. So it's sort of like splitting hairs. She has a yellow plastic headband with a bow on it. Her hair has two pigtails and long in the back. Ooh, feels very nice. I like that it's slightly crimped. I like the orange throughout. Just darling. I mean, her makeup even goes so well. You know the word cohesion, but it is cohesion. It goes so well. So she has a shrug on that's orange with clouds all over it. Oh, very nice fabric. And she has a very cute 70s inspired tank top. My brain paused. I buffered in real time. Her little neck choker is supposed to be like those pearl things. I call those throwaway pieces. Not that I throw them away, but you know, they're just there. Look at her hair. It's so bouncy. I don't remember. See, her original doll feels, she's T-posing. Okay, but there you go, girl. Her original hair, I don't know why this feels so much softer, so much more bounce, but it's lovely. I'm not complaining. All right, let's get close. Her skirt is that, I keep calling it an orange. I know it's showing up red, but it is like a very deep saturated orange. She has adorable pleated skirt. There ain't nothing underneath, so hopefully she's not doing twirls around the skating rink. Her knee pads are two plastic. So her knee pads are two plastic clouds. But looking at them on the side, like they're held on by two rubber bands. But if you take those off, aren't they just gonna fall? Yeah, they're just gonna fall off. Yeah, just more for show. And then of course her purse is an adorable cumulus nimbulus cloud with a little lightning bolt on top. Oh, just so cute. And she could skate. Woo. I show you nothing. I show you nothing of importance. Let me see. Does original Teressa and skate park party Teressa, it's different. Same sculpt, just different makeup. Let's get a good look on that. Wow. All right, guys. She's just the cutest thing, and I love her. I love these lines so much. I even love the butterfly plastic thing that sticks out of Barbie Malibu's top. I saw photos and I was like, I should love this. I don't know how well it's designed, but I just think the skate park, I keep calling them skate park. Are they skate park, skate party? What are you? Barbie Dream Besties, we'll never know. It fell over, and well, I'll never read the insert again. Okay, her little stop things are hearts. Oh, you know that part on the, I do not rollerblade, I do not roller skate, I have EDS and I'm not allowed to fall down and go boom. So she is just, I'll live vicariously through my doll. How's your May going? What are you all up to? I don't know what it is about their hair. I assume it's the same. This is almost waxy feeling. So soft. Well, I love it. I'm going with it. I've always loved Teressa's dimples. Oh, they're so darling. So what are your goals for collecting for 2025? Like, what is going on? I am trying to stick to the budget. And of course, as we do as adults, and get, you know, more of the skate line. I want the budget Shadow High dolls to come out. I don't know if they'll come to Canada on a Canadian collector. And I want the two collector Shadow High dolls. There's a variety of Monster High stuff, but I haven't seen anything new come down the pike. So I don't know. I mean, like, what is happening? If I can find random Nananas for like a really good price. Oh, so much. My hoodie's choking me. It's so comfortable. It's choking me. So what are you guys collecting? I know Bratz is wildly popular. I did like Jade from the Going Out line. She's around somewhere. I've kept her out. I like her so much. I really want to redo my setup. You know, just organizing, cleaning. Anyway, tell me what you're up to. I'm rambling. She's awesome. And I'll talk to you guys later. Happy May. Bye. Fantasy pop art coloring books now on Amazon.